Well, this is basically sort of the finale to our school year for the most part. This is where we change commands. So we have our new company commander who will be in charge of the cadet company coming in to take over. And we sort of honor our old company commander as well as all the seniors who have helped make this a great year for us. The one that's going out, Cadet Captain Kandice Jordan. She has been a great company commander. She's taken everything seriously. She's going to be going into the Marine Corps now. And she's just been awesome. She has done everything I've asked for and more, and she's helped bring the company to new levels. This is the first year that we've actually done a change command ceremony since before COVID. The last one was 2019. So we have grown through that time with her leadership in order to be able to do that today.
I did not think I would go to the Marines. I actually thought I would go to college first and go the officer route, try to become an officer in the Marine Corps. And then once I got into the program and I started doing a bunch of the activities that we do, I grew a love for the Marine Corps and that all the activities that we do, and actually the people in the Marine Corps that I've met, they're awesome people, and they've kind of helped persuade me to, follow my path and just join the Marine Corps.
The incoming company commander, Cadet Taylor Thompson, this was an easy choice to have her come in. She's involved in everything that we do. She is there whenever we need her, and she's a solid leader. So I couldn't be more excited about seeing her coming in and taking over and seeing the great things she's going to do.
I'm really excited for the opportunities that the Major and Master Sergeant have given me to do this. I'm really excited to lead the company and take it into a better place next year and just have the company grow as one.
They're learning leadership. I mean, they're learning basically how to manage themselves, first of all, but then how to manage others. This is the greatest leadership laboratory that anyone could be involved with, because they actually get to be placed in a leadership position. It's a student-led program, and lead their peers and encounter all the problems that you have when you're leading your peers, and overcome those and grow and develop those talents that are necessary to manage people.
I've learned it all. I mean, you have to be pretty mentally stable coming into the program, since a lot of people think that you just get yelled at all the time, but no, actually they help you build your mental stability in here a lot. We're all very supportive of one another. We're like a huge family, as well as physical fitness. I mean, we're all pushing each other to achieve greatness and everything. So when we come out here on this track, it's like everybody's a team. Everybody's always cheering the other on, and it's amazing.
Many of the things we do here we learn our leadership traits, we learn what we need to do and how to handle certain situations with cadets and how to just be a leader in general. That's really helpful with whatever you want to do, especially in military. But a lot of kids don't even join ROTC. They join it for military, they just join it to learn their leadership and how to become a better person.